Friends call me a problem solver, hear about their drama all the time. Never really wanna be a bother, sometimes wanna talk about mine. Not trying to be complicated, everyone's got issues that they hide, but mine keep getting louder when I keep them locked inside. I'll take your breakdowns, baggage, biggest, worst mistakes. I'll take your breakdowns in my car when others walk away. But I still need somebody to tell me I'm okay. Every emotion you go through, I'll take it. If you take mine too. Mine too. Mine too. Not trying to blame anybody, I'll always answer right away. Just keep on listening till it gets the best of me. Still every time I say I'll take your breakdowns, baggage, biggest, worst mistakes. I'll take your breakdowns in my car when others walk away. But I still need somebody to tell me I'm okay. Every emotion you go through, I'll take it. If you take mine too. Mine too. Mine too. Mine too. I'll take your breakdowns, baggage, biggest, worst mistakes. I'll take your breakdowns in my car when others walk away. But I still need somebody to tell me I'm okay. Every emotion you go through, I'll take it. If you take mine too. Mine too. Mine too. Mine too. Mine too. Hey guys, what's up? It's Alyssa. I really hope you enjoyed. That was me singing Take Mine Too. I found it on TikTok, ironically, but I found it as they were like hyping it up and getting it ready to release, and I really resonated with it, and I figured some of you might as well. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below more things you'd like to see on my channel, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you all in my next video.